Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Rouse, back in the building with another watch unboxing. You know what I mean? I think we got here, Jay Will, we got the Invicta 52mm Corduba. You know what I mean? But before we do that, we're going to do an Invicta wristwatch check. Right now, I'm rocking the Invicta Speciality with the white leather strap. Look at that. Ain't that fly? Show them what you rocking. If y'all remember this video from last night.
This is it.
Yeah, the Venom. Yeah. Doing big things out here. You know what I mean? So we're going to go ahead and unbox this joint right quick. Get into it. As you can see, it came in a 3-slot dive case. Woo. That's that Invicta yellow, baby. That Invicta yellow. You understand? Let's open him up. Yeah. Yep. Corduba. Woo. Would you look at that? Damn, that's a bad watch. Look at that. Look at that joint right there. Take him out the plastic. You know. Front stuff out. And there you go. 52mm Corduba. Quartz Chronograph, of course. And look, check this out, right? Got the screw down. Crown protector. Oh my God. Look at that right there. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
Would you look at that right there? Screw that joint back on. Look at the back. Of course, back Invicta Corduba Collection. Yo, it's a hot watch. Hot watch. You know, I want to give shout out to my wife for getting this for me. You know what I mean? So let's try it on the wrist right quick. All right, there we go. How it look on the wrist. Look at that blue dial. Ain't that fly? Yeah. That leather strap. Invicta on the clasp. Again, this is the 52mm Corduba Chronograph. Get into it. Invicta lovers, what's up? Where y'all at? Watch lovers, where y'all at? Peace, and we out.